Today, I will introduce a 24-volt DC variable frequency air conditioner. Rated power 300 watt. Cooling capacity 1300 watt. Body weight 9 kg. Accessories include host, adapter, remote control unit, exhaust duct, drain pipe, pipe joint. Connect the pipe joint to the exhaust pipe and you can use it. Only need to connect the mobile power supply to use. Very convenient and fast. It supports touch screen, remote control, and Wi-Fi smartphone control. Suitable for outdoor camping, staff dormitory, student dormitory, security booth, kitchen, elevator, toilet, pet room, small storage room, mini K-bar, live room, etc. Rooms larger than 80 cubic meters are recommended to be used with special air-conditioned mosquito net tent. Better effect.